how to put date and time on Instagram story. So all you have to do is to go directly to your Instagram application and it will lead you here to your home page. Now, what you want to do next is just to swipe left to right here. And as you can see, you are now on your story settings. Now, the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you will see four different options there. You'll see post, story, reel, and live. You have to make sure that you have set it on your story and then just create your story. Then let's say just want to add a photo here, this one. Now on the upper right you will see four different icons there. You will see text icon, you will see sticker icon, and then the effect icon, and then of course the three dots there. Tap on the sticker icon here. Now the next thing that you want to do is here it will look like this. You will see these different options and then you will see countdown here. Tap on countdown and then you have to title it, name your countdown, and then you can set your date. So here, and then depends on you. It's actually either months, days, and hours. So if you just set it here, it's hours, minutes, and seconds. And basically that is how you put date and time on Instagram story. And then tap on your story there, close friends. And basically that is how you put date and time on Instagram story. Let's just see here. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.